Have you ever tried to scale something in Figma and objects are moving weirdly? I'll show you how to fix that in a little bit. So you've probably encountered this issue when working in Figma, where you try to scale a frame and objects within the frame start moving very weirdly. The first thing you need to do is investigate to see what the constraint setup of all the different objects are, then go from there. So for instance, we can see that this main card, the constraint is set to left and right. So what we'll do is we'll set it to left, and now you see that when we try to scale this main frame, the card itself doesn't scale. So the second thing we need to do, as you can see, the constraints of the objects within the card are still all messed up. So we go into the card, and as you can see, the constraint of the text is set to right, the constraint of the pill is set to left. We'll change this constraint to left. So this avatar is already constrained to the left bottom, which is fine, but the arrow is constrained to left top. So we'll change the constraint of the arrow to right bottom. Now when you scale the card, you can see that all the objects scale in the way they are supposed to. Ultimately, to fix this, just use auto layout, but in case you don't want to use auto layout, this works too. And now you know.